Our community is rich with small businesses and we thrive on their success. And tonight I'm going to share with you the story of one of our local businesses that is doing just that. They are thriving. And they are being honored tonight as the Small Business of the Year. Successful people share common traits. One of the major traits is dedication. Good business people stick with it day after day, even when it means making sacrifices. This business was started with an idea and a prayer approximately 6 years ago. After being laid off from his job, this person had a decision to make. While he took a month to work for a family member, he researched areas that Sanford was lacking. What was a niche business that he could start? With the business startup spirit, he realized that Sanford had little, if no one, doing fire and water damage restoration locally. He has now turned that niche into a successful family-owned business, employing 9 people and providing work for countless local subcontractors. This business started as a company in a small shop on Tramway Road with just the business owner and one other guy. But in 4 years into the business, they were able to purchase a much larger building on US 1. When I hear this business owner's name, I hear positive statements such as, "He was at my rescue in no time," or "That guy works all hours of the day and night." This business owner frequently participates in chamber events and for 3 years running has sponsored teams in the Chamber Clays Championship. And even though he didn't participate, he entered a team so that his employees and contractors could join in on the fun. He coaches and sponsors Little League Baseball and has made donations to the Sanford Rotary Club. He also donates a huge amount of time to his church, Crossroads Ministries in Broadway. People have shared that he is a class act. He embodies integrity. He is honest, and people refer business to him because he is good on his word. After the recent hurricanes impacted our area this past year, this business owner and his employees and contractors worked day and night, helping over 50 businesses and individuals with needed repairs. He is a hands-on owner who can be found on most of his jobs working with his employees. This is a company that operates only at the highest level of integrity. Please join me in congratulating this year's Small Business of the Year, ABC Restoration, owned by Anthony Hall.
Wow, what an honor. First of all, I just want to thank God. Without him, ABC or I wouldn't be here. He's put us here in this place. Like I said, I had a prayer and I had a need and he provided. Second, my crew. It's not just a crew, it's more like a family. I was wondering why they were all here tonight, but I see now. Then my beautiful wife, she takes care of the family and anything else I need, which allows me to work the crazy hours that we do. But just thank y'all so much. Thanks to the community for being there for us and supporting us. And it's truly an honor because there's many great businesses in this house. And just thank y'all so much.